For this meditation, you will need a crystal, preferably a clear crystal quartz or one that you can gaze through. You may also use a crystal ball or even a small clear crystal quartz. So I want you to become comfortable in a seated position. This may be in a chair or on your mat. I'd like for you to have your crystal in your hand, holding it in your lap for just a few moments. Breathing in and out, allowing your body to relax and become comfortable. Feeling yourself grounding into the earth, grounding into your mat. You feel your shoulders relaxing, your chest and your torso relaxing, your hips and your legs, and your feet. We are going to go on a meditation into our crystal. This may be done with your eyes closed or your eyes open. Depends upon what you prefer. I want you to know that at any time you may come back to this spot simply by opening your eyes. So with our next breath in and out, I want you to take the crystal into your hand. I want you to begin to gaze into the crystal, allowing your eyes to become relaxed, your face to relax, your gaze to become comfortable. Continuing to breathe in and out. As you gaze into the crystal, I want you to envision a door in the crystal. This is a tiny door that allows you to enter into the world that exists within the crystal. I want you to, with each breath, envision yourself getting smaller and smaller until you are small enough to be in front of the door of the crystal. I want you to look at the door, and I want you to see if there is anything written on the door, any words, sayings, or signs. Taking in a deep breath, I want you to reach for the door handle. Simply open the door and step into the crystal. As you step in, you notice a cool breeze coming across your body. You feel very comfortable in this place. It feels familiar to you, and it feels as if there's someone there that you know. As you shut the door behind you, you notice that there's a beautiful light that comes on above you. It lights up the entire world. I want you to take a few moments and explore this world. As you take a look around, you notice how beautiful it is there. It is a beautiful, peaceful spot. It is a place at times when you've looked at your crystal, you've caught glimpses of it. Caught glimpses of color, of buildings, of the environment. Take a moment and take note if you are inside or outside, if you're near water, or if you're in the sky. Have you traveled to another place? This crystal comes with you everywhere you go, so you're carrying this world with you everywhere you go. So explore the gift that you have. And as you're exploring, look around to see if there's anyone else who lives in this world. Sometimes there are fairies or sprites or angels or animals. Take a moment to look around at the world. That's part of your world that is connected with you at all times. See if there's any gifts or messages for you. Anything that you may want to really focus on. Take time to explore this world. Continue speaking to anyone around. But know that your time at this moment is limited, but that you can go back to this place at any time that you wish. All you simply have to do is come to meditation, allow yourself to relax, step through the door, and enter this world. So spend just a few more moments learning about this new world. Now you begin to walk back towards the door, taking one last look at everything that you have taken in, the environment, the people or animals or beings that are there. Taking note of anything that you want to bring back with you. Wisdom, words, beings. And as you take a deep breath in, you come to the door, you open, and you step through, back into this world. With the exhale of your breath, you close the door, and you notice that you're becoming larger and larger. You're coming back to your space on the couch. Taking a deep breath, you begin to allow yourself to feel the seat underneath you, the air on your body, and the crystal in your hand. Take a few moments to acclimate back here, and when you're ready, pick up your journal and write about your experiences.